So we're back out on site today, a bit of lead work going on. What we've got is a bit of a problem with this building. The outlet blocks and the water overflows into the building. It just goes through the parapet. So what we're doing is just changing the lead detail around a little bit. We've already been out, we've pre-made a new tray with a Weir outlet on it. So we're going to get that installed now and we'll show you how we do it. So this is the detail we've got now, minus a bit of cutting on there that we've already started. But basically we've got a 65mm outlet. So what we're going to do is going to open that up, we're going to core it out to 100mm, so we've got more capacity for the water to exit this little detail. And then it's a funny little detail. There's a little gutter in there and it's not been welded. This is all just loose, and you can see the main problem is down in here where they've got the sump in the gutter, and it comes out and basically there's no upstand there. So when this gutter fills up here, what it's doing is it's just overflowing there and running into the building. And then this is the back side. We've got a lead gutter coming down into the sump there. So we're going to leave that sump in. We've tested the thickness for the lead and it's fine. So we're just going to open up, made a really narrow little outlet for the sump there. So we're just going to widen that up, bring that trough all the way through. We're going to put a tapering joint in there as well because might have some expansion issues between the sump and this new tray that we're going to put in. And then this is a new tray, we've already pre-made this. So what we've done is we've got a 100mm outlet there. We've lead welded in the gutter and then we've put a little Weir outlet on that. Still to be finished off, but we'll get that in now and hopefully shouldn't be too long. There we go, we've managed to get that projection lead work off. We've got the old outlet still in there. That wasn't welded in. They've put the outlet in first and then put the lead work into it. It's probably the original one. And you can see as well the grooves where the original lead work was probably put in. We'll just slightly open that up. We're going to open that up a bit more. So what we're going to do now is going to fit this new tray on it and then cut this string course lead work back a little bit more. Then hopefully get it all welded in. Oh, and then we've got to core the outlet out as well. So we'll crack on. That's the new lead tray we've made there. Measured this up last week. We made it in workshop because it was going to be a lot easier. Not a bad bloody fit, that. Oh, it looks in the right place. You can see now we've got this upstand on here that runs all the way around, and what we're going to do is we're going to carry that right through into that sump, so that basically if this ever blocks up, and we are opening up to 100mm, if this ever blocks up, it's not going to leak in where it comes through the parapet there. Like I say, we've put this Weir on it and this overflow. We've just got to cut this lead work. We're just going to mark this off now, fold this back and put some clips on it so we can pin it down. We'll put some stainless steel screws into that parapet as well. Good job. There we are, we've got the old downpipe out. It's not too bad actually, apart from that end bit. What we've done, again in workshop earlier on, made a new one. Then we've welded this little piece on there, just go down into the gutter, and then we've welded it on the back side as well on that, so that because it's going to wear fairly heavy down at bottom here, so we want to make sure that it's got plenty of weld on it. We'll get these in. Got this tray welded in now. We've put this tapering joint in on both sides and we're just welding a little cover flashing on there, but I just want to show you this, what we're doing now. When we're lead welding in situ, got a thermal imaging camera so you can see where we've been welding there, probably 20 degrees. So what we do is we monitor the temperature and kind of watch the temperature go down, make sure it's not going up for obvious reasons, but works well. Well, we're nearly done now. Managed to get that outlet in, all that gutter up, got that tapering joint in down there. What we've done here is we've just put some lead folded up over here to clamp this down. Then we've put these little discs, put some stainless steel screws in there, and then just welded some little lead buttons over it. So yeah, we're going to temporary seal that edge against that masonry for tonight because it's going to rain. Then we'll be back tomorrow, get some flashings in it, job done. Then we've got the other side to do.